So hey everyone, I'm Ankush Singh Gandhi and welcome back to my channel The Tech Extreme. So yesterday I received my swags from Google Cloud Facilitator Program and here it's quick unboxing video, so let's start. And don't forget there is a surprise for you guys at the end of this video, so let's start.
Ice cream, bring that ice, boy. Walk in, know that side. Yeah, they can't tell me why. Word, I don't even need no lies.
So guys, this is the box that I received yesterday for completing first track of Google Cloud Facilitator Program. So I think I'm just going to unbox it quickly. So I'm just going to put t-shirt aside. So I got two small envelopes here. Just wait a minute. I'm going to come over to these small envelopes and t-shirt again. Okay, so we also got a pen and stickers. Comment below if you love to put stickers on your laptop. Congratulations, you are now Google Cloud ready. Thank you for your participation. We hope you had a fun during your journey and your learning experience. Do not stop here. Keep on earning more badges. Okay, so this is a pen and Google Cloud is written on it. I didn't see it before. So now let's see what's inside these small envelopes. I think it's a badge. Actually, I know it's a badge. Okay, so now I got two badges with Google Cloud. Okay. And here is one more. Comment down below if you want these badges or stickers. I am going to have a giveaway very soon, so let me know if you want stickers or a badge. And here is my Google Cloud t-shirt. So that's it for today, guys. So as I said, there will be a surprise for you guys. So I'm going to give some of these swags to you guys. For more information, stay tuned and don't forget to follow me on my LinkedIn handle and Twitter handle. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a like down below. And happy new year.